If you're always chasing hits, if you're always chasing the right formulas, you're not going to have a good time as an artist. You're just going to be a cog in the machine. You're searching for an end that isn't really an end. It never stops there. Like, after you have a hit, what's next? Another hit? Do you retire? For the sake of your sanity and enjoying the craft, it's always nice to not think about these things on such a grand scale. And also that point you made about, how a bunch of serendipitous events led up to making a hit or making a major event. I am a strong believer in this concept called demographic luck, where your chances at life or at success in general are very heavily influenced by where you're born, how you look like, what language you speak, what skills that have been passed to you at a young age, like your childhood education, the place you grew up, the atmosphere in which you live in, the climate, the people around you. And that's not a very common rebuttal to that point of view. Would mean that, life is deterministic. You don't have to do anything, because it's decided for you. I feel that's not true at all. You definitely have a big part to play in which you take these advantages or disadvantages that have been offered to you at birth or at life. And a big part of how you manipulate them is up to you and up to how much work you put in. So likewise, when I think of a song, like a healthy way to view this deterministic view on life is that I understand as a person that how my song succeeds or whether this piece of music or art or work succeeds, it's not up to me. But I can definitely raise the odds by doing this, by having a release plan, by having milestones in place, by releasing at the right time. These things can influence the outcome, but it's still not up to me. The latter is just how to live with yourself, really. Continue making music with a healthy mind. And the former, release plans and all that, is to give yourself the best shot at being, an artist.
What's up, DAW Nation? Hope you enjoyed this quick tip video that we took from our MYRNE episode of Behind the DAW, which, by the way, if you want to watch the entire episode, up here in the top right corner, right up here, there's going to be a card showing up where you can click on that card and it will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE. As well as there is going to be a link down in the description. You can go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE as well. Also, hit the little thumb button below. Not too hard, just hard enough, you know what I mean? And leave a little comment right below that. We'd love to know what your thoughts are on this quick tip video. If it really helped you, let us know. If you want us to change something, let us know. We would love to hear from you. So with that being said, DAW Nation, make sure to check back here constantly, all right? Every couple of days, every day, whatever works for you, because we're constantly putting out more and more content that we know is going to help you on your music production journey. Again, DAW Nation, make sure to like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And with all that out of the way, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.